Hey, my frequency friends, you guys ready for a little solar, earth, human frequency update? Yeah, let's unpack that a little bit. So another huge filament eruption and CME out the backside of the sun, really large one. A lot of you guys are reaching out, not asking, but telling me that this is 3i Atlas. And while it was back there, which is really relative to where you're observing it from, it's activating the sun and sending and causing these large flares. I might agree with you if there's been a change in the sun's activity, but there is no increased amplitude right now. In fact, the face of the sun is really calm. Only B and C class flares right now. So I'm going to shelf that just for a minute here. This corona hole down here, slowly rotating away. So we're still being bathed in solar wind and heavily charged particles. You guys are feeling that. I know you are. Even more, well, actually look at the graph down here, elevated today. So a light geomagnetic storm, and it'll be tapering over the next few days. Down on the bottom, the Schumann resonance, yeah, it's been going nuts. So huge spikes each day over the past 2 days. And then if you look at the bottom right down here, you've got that medium-sized spike. That's actually still a pretty large spike on that graph. And I want to remind you, the Schumann resonance is the resonance, electromagnetic frequency of the Earth, okay? It's that resonance of the Earth. It's very similar to your alpha brainwave. How interesting. But at the same time, you have a symbiotic relationship with that frequency. The Earth's frequency affects community consciousness, but community consciousness also affects Earth's frequency. Yeah, how cool is that? You're a player in the game. Don't forget it, because this is your game. I want to remind you that. This spike down here, I have a good feeling that was community consciousness actually affecting the Earth. It's a little reverb, but I think we were involved in that because there's so much anxiety right now over 3i Atlas. I want to remind you, there are 20 different versions on social media right now. Most of them are clowns looking for extra likes and hits and all of that good stuff, and just mixing up your energy, okay? If you're sitting there doom scrolling, trying to figure it out, no one knows right now. So bring it in, bring it down, balance your energy. Remember, when you get these huge frequency spikes, what happens to you depends on where your energetic signature is right now, okay? So bring it in, bring it back to the now. When you're doom scrolling, you're living in an anxiety-rich, anxious future that hasn't happened yet, okay? So bring it back. Maybe put the phone down for a minute and read the post over the last couple of days. See how everyone's feeling so you don't feel alone.